the Born Great Show. My name is Jessica. And we have a challenge. Today I am on my way to disability is a mental or physical condition that limits a person's sense, movements, or activities. But it's different here with Omar. Omar has taken it upon himself to sell, to make a living. So we are here to talk to Omar. We listen to his story and get to know what inspires him to keep on doing this. Today we are here at the Bank-Yard traffic light. This is the Born Great Show. My name is Jessica. You can log on to our Instagram. It's Jessie_Born Great. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is Born Great TV. So let's talk to Omar. Omar, good afternoon. Thank you. Everything fine?
Everything fine.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh, I'm good. What's up? How is business?
Yeah, our business, thank God. I'm happy today. You come for see me for Bank-Yard. They sell it to my business. They do. Yeah.
We are also happy to meet you. Omar, tell us about yourself. How did you come to Ghana? What inspired you? Where do you come from? As you said, you're not Ghanaian.
Okay, me at the few talks like me, I'm come from for Ghana. Me, I've been in Germany. I work the Togo. The route come, governor route come catch for my blessing. I no get blessing. So I'm come from for Ghana. I'm come for Ghana.
Okay. So Omar, what's your real name? Where are your parents? Like, where are your relatives?
Yeah, anything if you God they do for me, the rich if me they do for my himself. Because anything happen for me, if me self they do. I no get the some people they do for me. If you saw the first one I'm come from for Ghana, at the beg. Like me, the beg you know be my work. Before I go see for somebody, you give me something small. Myself I get something small. I go buy this goose. See the enemy this goose I sell it here for Bank-Yard. I see my job money and everything I do for my own.
You mean there's no support from your family, so you do everything by yourself, right?
Oh, now me, if you had me now, at the few talks, I'd had my head now self because here I not get some people they do for me something, anything. No, I not get that because here the work self, I not like the bag will matter. If you saw I they do this work, I'm do for accidents here. I'm really like 1 month, 2, 3, 1 month half. I know back on the work, but I get lucky. The sell it they do. I know they go do the enjoy who the flu something.
Okay.
They cut my money. So I chop my money inside.
Okay.
I'm come for ready now. Now I do my work here Bank-Yard.
So Omar is saying he comes from Niger and he does everything by himself. There's no support from any of his family members. As for him, if he makes it in life, it's for him. So how long have you been doing things for yourself? Since like you were a child, or how long have you lost support from the family?
My family, okay, my family now, me, but yeah, they work like this. I'm keep planning my family is more like 2 years because I'm do 1 year something the Togo before I'm come from for Ghana.
Okay, so Omar is saying that for 2 years now he hasn't even set eyes on his family because he has spent a year in Togo, but things were not all that right, so he had to come to Ghana. And this is what he does. Omar sells these stuffs in traffic for his daily bread. According to him, if he doesn't come here, nobody looks for him, nobody searches for him, he doesn't have a friend, so he has to come here and sell for his daily bread. So Omar, isn't here risky? Aren't you afraid? Because accidents do happen. Aren't you afraid? What inspires you? What motivates you to do this?
Oh, at the talk say yeah, you got to risk this big one because they hear every time they see the accidents, big one. My back here, I see some people, the car they come catch me, they die. You know, be one, you know, be two, you know, be three.
They catch you people and tie you.
The people, if you say the cross self, some people they come catch you, go. You know the word self. Me, I dey hear self, if you God say the word like this, they hear no, the throat catch me. Yeah, I'm go wet house like 2 months. I know they come they working.
Why did they catch you?
Yeah, see the around, him he leave the around, bike, you know the cross, he want go street, bike he leave the around before he reach here. Me I don't know, I want come out the inside, no, himself, he take the car, he move.
Oh.
If you saw me, I dey come out the inside, him, I the thing say the cross, you know the.
So he hit you?
He hit me, no be small one. Because me, I know the thing say if I defeat come like this self, like if God they do anything, now I defeat tax thank God because I'm come nice at the working.
Okay. So Omar is saying that there are a lot of accidents, there are a lot of risk on the street here. He's been hurt here, not once. God is his inspiration. He's been in the house for 2 months without coming to work because he was knocked down by a vehicle. Yet he has to come back because if he lives in the house or he stays at home without coming to work, there will be no support from anywhere. So he has to come. So Omar, like you said, God inspires you, but aren't you afraid? Because aren't you afraid you might die or something?
The first one I'm do the accidents the year. The one I'm get liking, God had me. The trotroma catch me. He want wrong go, but he have to. The policeman want pass here. He be big man. He there is car inside. Myself I don't know if he be policeman. You see the watch he happy. The this car he want move leave me. He go he catch him.
I understand you. Earlier he was making a statement that cars do catch them, people do catch them. That was not what he really meant. What he meant was that they get knocked down by vehicles, they get accidents here, a lot of them die, some people die because sometimes the road is not visible, it's not visible because it's been choked by cars, so they get knocked down by vehicles. Okay, so Omar, what's the future like for you? You sell, is it that you just want your daily bread, or you sell just to feed, or you want to marry in future and make children and make a home?
Okay, me now I defeat tax. I'm rich they marry because I'm get 20. I there for 26 inside. Like 26, it reach like 3 months because 3 months make I reach 26. 3 months. If you saw the fit talk I'm rich the marry.
But do you want to marry or something?
Or now if you God give me where I want to marry because me like I dey here I know they do I know the fit talk I not get the wife I dey talk to him like this the wife matter and the man who the life no me I know they enjoy me.
If God gives you.
Oh, if you God eat me now I want marry I want.
Okay, Omar wants to get married in future. His dream is to make some money, get married, and have his own family. So he's saying that if God permits, he would get married, and if things goes on well too, he'll get married and have his own children. So Omar, right now, what do you want people? What help do you want from people? What do you want people to do for you? Is it that you have any talent or any yes, or you are trained or skilled in any other job? What do you want the people to do?
Okay, they here at the fit talks at the word because the working they do. The work they do, you know, be they happy. Myself, they see the place the work it be dangerous for me. Yeah, some people they talk myself it be dangerous for me. Like for what they do working the year, I not like make I go the bag. Be so I buy this goods, I sell it small. Thank God, alhamdulillah, I the chop. I the put on small. It be so I do my working, but I not keep playing inside.
Okay.
But some people come ask you like some people want had me. It be so.
So right now, do people help you here? Do people aid you? Like do people aid you?
The pay.
Do people give you money or something?
Oh me who I there now, I know they say they give me money, who you know they give me money. Because if they feel collect money, go say they do something, you know the red, you know the can red. Like me, if I see there's some people they feel they had me for God for like God do me.
Okay.
I'm like it, they work for me, they work blessing.
Okay.
Make I leave that route to working.
Omar says he doesn't get help from anywhere, but he needs help. He wants to leave the streets of Accra, and he wants to leave the streets here and go and make a life. As he said earlier, his dream is to make some money and get married and make a home, a family of his own. So he's pleading on everybody that God has touched to come to his aid and at least get him established. If it is a shop, he would sit and sell so that he doesn't come here, because he said it is dangerous on the streets, but he has no choice, so he comes here. So Omar, how much do you make a day?
You ask me my marrying matter?
No, like how much money do you sell a day, every day, approximately?
Okay, that one, if you had me, because me, I want to tell you true. If you like, I dey go show you who I there.
Oh, no problem.
I dey go show you who I there. Who make myself, I dey feel go check who I dey feel see the blessing. I dey show you before I dey tell you who you dey tell me. I dey feel buy for you like this. You dey sell it. If you want sell, you dey feel collect the money. Give me. They feel collect the money. Give me. They feel collect the money. They give me. Make I go buy.
No problem. Yes.
My business. Because the year the work it be dangerous for me.
Okay.
Like I know like the bag matter.
Alright.
It be so I the work.
Okay. You don't want to. Omar says he doesn't want to beg. He doesn't want to beg. That's why he's doing something for himself. So he can show us where he lives. he lives with somebody, that's what he said, so he can show us where he lives. So when you come there and you feel like helping, establishing him, or giving him money to establish himself, he doesn't mind. But so Omar, if you come out on the streets every day, how much do you sell? How much do you make?
Okay, if I come, the market now, market no get power. Everybody, they talk like money no there.
So how
But
much?
if I come, I the fee chop my chop money. I the fee see the 10 cities, put the 5 cities, make I go put my account inside.
So you save?
You not be having money,
So sometimes you come here without selling anything at all.
Sometimes yesterday if I no come because I'm tired. Like work I dey do, it be tired matter.
Okay.
But me I no like make I go do something no good. Who I dey beg, who make I go wet the some place no good. Like me, I know they take me. I know be man. If you saw the hustler like this, see, like God they work for me. But thank God, God bring for you. I dey pray for you. God the word the this thing want do for me. God the word he dey move.
Thank you very much. Omar is saying that yesterday, for instance, he didn't come to work because he was tired. He said this place is dangerous and the work itself is tiring. So it's not every day that he comes to work. So he would want anybody who is touched by his story to come to his aid and help him get out of the street. Omar, thank you very much for talking to us. What advice do you have for people like this who are begging?
The people even now you dey see like Ghana they like some my people matter like my people, some people they get problem. It be that one they bring suffer for my people inside. You dey see like they beg me the time I dey beg down the back what I leave the beg. You dey see there's somebody they talk you the full stock. Ooh, there's somebody they shoot you go work. That one they had me. It be so I dey do like this, no. I go see for somebody had me small money. Myself I get small money. I am go buy my goods. It be him I dey do my business by the way I dey do my business here Banya is too dangerous because every time you dey see accidents. Accidents self you dey see die inside too much. Pass through the some people they do the great finish and all.
Oh, okay. Omar is saying that he used to beg himself. He used to beg, but as you beg on the street, you don't have any respect. Anybody at all can say anything to you because you are begging. One time he was on the street and someone said something to him that he got hurt. So he decided to leave the street and someone helped him and he also added the little savings he's got to set up this for himself. So his advice to everyone begging on the street is to get out of the street and do something for yourself. He wants to get established. Are you a Christian?
Now I know the fit tell you say I dey go this church who and this church. Like the first I dey go first light. I dey go church I dey go that first light that church place I dey go. Like here the next I dey my workplace. The first light is some people come here, you take my picture, anything you want do me something, you lie for me. That place it be so now me I'm cut. I know they go that place again.
Okay, but if you get a genuine church, you go, right?
Now I the fit talk say if I get the true man. Because me, you see, the ready now, it not be only me there here. The leg no good. Yeah. Like all you run, leave it for me. Like me, for what I'm wait for talk for the you, because I'm like make I do my work, make I do my work, make I live look somebody something who I go take for somebody something not reach anything. They beat you, they do everything I they see I did this thing, anything I they see hey, if you saw anything that you're blessing, if you go your officer inside, anything that happen, if you the rest problem.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so Omar says he would love to go to church, depending on the type or who the man of God is. That is, if he is a true man of God, because he wants to hear the true word of God, because he was in a particular church which the man of God actually lied to him, so he wants to attend a true church of God. Therefore, I throw a challenge to Christians and evangelists that we are all souls that God needs. God doesn't discriminate, so we should reach out to people like this for their longing for the word of God. Omar has gotten a customer, so okay. 50. Okay, so Omar has gotten a customer, so he's attending to him. You've heard him, you've heard his stories. The Born Great Show. My name is Jessica. And we have a challenge today. I am on my way to disability is a mental or physical condition that limits a person's sense, movements, or activities. But the case different here with Omar. Omar has taken it upon himself to sell. With being in that condition, he sells here to make a living. So we are here to talk to Omar. We listen to his story and get to know what inspires him to keep on doing this. So Omar is here. Today we are here at the Bankyard traffic light. This is the Born Great Show. My name is Jessica. Omar, what would you like to tell your family should they watch the video? You can speak French, you can speak your language.
Ah, je peux dire que quand my family the English you want come out my French, because people inside like I dey talk with my French self they fit talk inside small. Comme my family il a vu comme moi sur les caméras comme ça ou sur les TV, il n'y a pas de problème. Comme ils ont là, ils ont connaît que je suis là au Ghana, ils ont connaît parce que je lui ai appelé des fois, je fais WhatsApp avec ma père, avec ma mère, tout, ils ont connaît moi là, comment je suis. C'est pourquoi même je ne peux pas arrêter à de Niger, comme je n'ai pas d'un travail là-bas. C'est pourquoi je ne veux pas arrêter my family inside, because I not get the work in Niger, my family blessing. So me I'm for Ghana, I did for Ghana inside, they do my business small, thank God. Yeah, I know they see the party, the Ghana inside. They pray for Ghana, they go top. They pray for Ghana, they go top. I'm happy for Ghana, thank God.
Alright, thank you. The little that I have heard, he says that there's no job in Niger. That is why there are no jobs. That is why he has come to Ghana, and he hasn't gotten any problem in Ghana. He doesn't have a problem with Ghana and Ghanaians because there's hospitality, and also he's gotten a job to do so. Yeah, that's the little that I have heard. He says he's praying for Ghana to go to the top. Yes. Yes, so he's praying together to get to the top. We've spoken to Omar, we've heard his story. Please log on to our Instagram. It is Jesse_Born_Great. YouTube, the Born Great TV. You can watch some of our videos. Facebook and Twitter is the Born Great Show. Keep watching. Omar, thanks for your time. Okay.
I'm happy.
Okay.
Yeah,
We are also happy. Okay.
Some people come and ask me, I'm happy that one. Yeah, we saw that one.
All right. This is Omar here. He says he's happy to speak to us. Okay, so Omar, bye bye. Say bye bye to our viewers. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All right.